What's good, yo? Ruds here. Today's soap review features Noble Otter 2 Kings. Noble Otter is a Houston, Texas-based artisan that was established in 2017. They're well known in the wet shaving community for their soaps, aftershaves, brushes, and wet shaving starter kits. 2018 saw them repackage and upgrade both of their soap and aftershave formulas, which I have previously reviewed. Noble Otter can be purchased direct on their website, also at maggardrazors.com, westcoastshaving.com, as well as top of the chain if you're in Canada. Big thanks to Bravor from Instagram for loaning me this set at a recent meetup between us. So, 2 Kings is a masculine dark floral featuring notes of black currant, citrus, jasmine, lily of the valley, rose, carnation, incense, oud, sandalwood, and oakmoss. This is one of those scents that is the sum of all its parts rather than individual notes. But in general, it's a floral topped scent with a dark, mysterious type backbone to it. I'm not normally a fan of floral forward scents, but this one is well blended and quite pleasant to use, particularly now that it's warm here in Worcester, Massachusetts. As you'd suspect, Mrs. Rudds does not approve of this scent. She's not a fan of florals, and she's not a fan of dark woodsy or dark oudy type scents. So she gives this one a thumbs down. Scent strength on this is mid-strong off of the container and remains mid-strong once you lather and shave with it. And for similar scents available in wet shaving, I'd suggest you check out Tallow and Steel's Morocco or Holy Cow's King of Oud. You may recall from my previous Noble Otter reviews that this is a tallow-based soap. I will list the ingredients below as I always do for you. The soap is of mid-firmness and it's thirsty. Not in a cumbersome way, but like many tallow soaps, it demands water. When you properly hydrate and agitate the lather, you'll have a lather with the consistency of crème fraîche. Slickness on this soap is excellent in terms of primary slickness. Residual slickness, the lather that you don't see that's left behind, is also excellent. The post-shave on this is also excellent, and really the star of this soap base. My skin is always left soft, supple, and well hydrated after using Noble Otter's soap base. Given my experience with this soap base and the metrics we just mentioned, Noble Otter receives a ShaveScore of 94. For similar performing soaps, I'd suggest you check out Australian Private Reserve or Murphy McNeil Tallow. Alright folks, we're back. Brilliant shave with the Noble Otter 2 Kings. Really enjoy the soap base on this Noble Otter soap. One of the finest in wet shaving, if you will. Really cool scent too. I know it's not going to be for everyone, but Cody over at Noble Otter has a killer nose for great scent. So if you're not interested in this one, please check out some of the other offerings, most notably the recently released Plunder and Orbit soaps. As always, thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. Comment below if you have anything to say. And if you're not already a subscriber, please become one. See ya.